You know a lot of English words. You know grammar. You can understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Why? Because you're still thinking in your native language. In this video, I'll show you how to train your brain to think in English, and once you do, your fluency will change forever. Have you ever wondered why speaking English feels difficult even after years of study? You may read well. You may write well. You may understand others when they speak. But when it's your turn to talk, your thoughts feel slow, confused, or blocked. This happens because most learners translate instead of thinking directly in English. Fluency is not only about learning words and grammar. Fluency is about training your brain to think in English. And today, I will show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Why thinking in English is hard. Most learners use this process. Native language, translate, English, speak. This process is slow. It creates fear. It creates hesitation. But fluent speakers use a different process. English, thought, speech. No translation, no delay, just natural expression. Your goal is not perfect grammar. Your goal is automatic thinking. And that starts with small daily habits. Tip 1. Start with your inner voice. Your inner voice is the voice inside your head, the one you used to think all day. Most people use their native language. Now, you will train it to use English. Start with very simple thoughts. When you wake up, I'm tired. I need coffee. It's a new day. When you walk, the sky is blue. That building is tall. The weather is nice. These sentences may feel simple, but they are powerful. Why? Because fluency is built on simplicity, not complexity. Over time, your brain will stop translating and start thinking naturally. Tip 2. Surround yourself with English. Your brain learns language through exposure. If you only study English for 30 minutes a day, your brain thinks English is school. But if you live with English, your brain thinks English is life. So, watch English videos. Listen to English podcasts. Change your phone language to English. Read simple English daily. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Understanding comes later. First comes familiarity. Your brain needs to hear English rhythm, tone, and structure every day. Just like music. Tip 3. Speak to yourself. This is one of the most powerful and most ignored techniques. When you are alone, speak out loud in English. For example, while cooking, I'm cutting vegetables. I'm adding salt. The food smells good. While walking, I see children playing. The street is busy. It's a beautiful day. This connects English to your real life, not school life, not textbook life. Real life. That's how fluency is built. Tip 4. Use images, not translation. When you learn a word, do not connect it to your native language. Connect it to an image, for example. Apple. Rain. Happy. This trains your brain to think in meaning, not translation. Translation slows you down. Images speed you up. This is how children learn language, and it works for adults too. Tip 5. Think in short, simple sentences. Many learners try to think in long, complex sentences, like in their native language. But English thinking is often short and direct. Instead of, I feel extremely exhausted because I had a long and stressful day filled with responsibilities. Think, I'm tired. Today was a long day. Clear, natural, fast. This is how native speakers think. Tip 6. Remove the fear of mistakes. Thinking is private. No one can hear your thoughts, so why be afraid? Even if your sentence is wrong, yesterday I go to market. Doesn't matter and inside your head. Practice first, accuracy later. Fluency grows from movement, not perfection. The more you think in English, the fewer mistakes you will make naturally. Tip 7. Create English-only zones. Create small spaces in your life where only English exists. For example, your phone language, your shopping list, your daily notes, your journal, even writing, buy milk, call mom, study English. This trains your brain to use English without thinking about it. Why thinking in English changes everything. When you think in English, you speak faster, you understand better, you feel more confident, you stop translating. You start expressing English stops being a subject. It becomes a tool. A tool you use to think, work, and connect with the world. That is real fluency. Thinking in English does not happen in one day. It is a skill, and every skill grows with practice. Start small, be patient, be consistent. Every day, train your brain to think one more sentence in English. One day, without realizing it, English will become your natural way of thinking. And when that happens, your confidence and your life will change. I hope this video gave you clear and practical steps to start thinking in English today. Remember, small daily practice creates big improvement. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next English tip. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.